Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue many WhatsApp users encounter, the unable to connect. Please try again problem. If you're having trouble connecting to WhatsApp, don't worry, I've got you covered with some troubleshooting steps to get you back up and running. Now let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps to fix the unable to connect issue on WhatsApp. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Check if you can browse or use other apps that require internet connection. If not, try toggling Wi-Fi off and on or switch to mobile data. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Close the WhatsApp app completely and then reopen it. Like this. Also, a quick restart of your phone can often resolve temporary connectivity issues. Hold down the power button and select restart or power off. After your phone turns off, turn it back on and try WhatsApp again. Ensure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Open App Store or Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And if there's an update available, simply tap on it. If none of the above solutions work, try reinstalling WhatsApp. First, uninstall the app, then reinstall it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. And that's it. You should now be able to resolve the unable to connect issue on WhatsApp.